Hello students, welcome back to the channel, and today we are just going to discuss about the multiplication of a matrix. The multiplication of a matrix of a matrix require that the number of rows of the number of column of first matrix must be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Like if we just have 1 2 3 4 5 6, this r1 r2, two rows, and 1 c1 c2 c c1 c2 and c3, three columns. Then the second matrix should be like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Like the number of column means three columns of first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of second column r1 r2 r3, and the number of rows of the first column r1 and r2 should be equal to the number of column of the second r1 c1 and c2. So here the multiplication goes like a cross b. So the multiplication begins with 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiply by 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here is a trick. Just put your three fingers here at first row, multiply these first row with the first column, like multiply this with this, this with this, and this with this. Here I can show you how. 1 multiply by 1 plus 2 multiply by 2 plus 3 multiply by 3. Now just multiply this first row with the second column. 1 multiply by 4 plus 2 multiply by 5 plus 3 multiply by 6. Now put a bracket here, just leave it as digit and solve the work further. Now take the second row and multiply with it with first column and second column. 4 multiply by 1 plus 5 multiply by 2 plus 6 multiply by 3. Now here 4 multiply by 4 plus 6 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 plus 6 multiply by 6, and put a bracket here. Now it is the solution for the A cross B of two matrix with the first matrix with order 2 cross 3 and the second with 3 cross 2. Now further solve the following. 1 multiply by 1 plus 1 plus 2 multiply by 2 4, 3 multiply by 3 9. Now 4 ones are 4 plus 5 twos are 10 plus 6 threes are 18. Now 4 ones are 4 plus 5 twos are 10 plus 6 threes are 18. Here 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16 plus 5 multiplied by 5 25 plus 6 6 are 36. Now add the following matrix like 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 14, and 4 plus 10 plus 18, 10 plus 8 28 plus 4 32, 18 plus 4 plus 10 is equal to 28. 32 we have already calculated here, and 16 plus 36 plus 25 16 or plus 36 42 and 52 52 plus 25 25 52 and 57 plus 77. Here it is. Then the result will be a multiplied by b is equal to 14 32 32 and 77 for the following two matrices, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 4 2 5 3 and 6.